Hi friends, Amanda with Happy Hoppas here. Jujubee sent me a Super Bee in the Hello Summer print. It is a really pretty print. I will leave links to the first looks of that below. In this video, I really wanted to share this cool new hack that I found out. I've really been wanting, I have two kids, they're older. We go to a lot of theme parks, the beach, we're always out. And as much as I love the fuel cell and the Be Cool, it just doesn't, it's not able to hold all the food that we need. And so I was kind of hinting to Jujubee that I wanted a bigger cooler to put in the Super Bee. And I hope they come up with something. But in the meantime, I found out we have a Keen's stroller wagon. And it does come with this little cooler, and I just kind of had a light bulb moment one day and was like, I wonder if that fits. It does. And it fits perfectly. So this is the Keen's cooler bag that goes in that front, front storage area. We've had it for several years, so it's just really, it's been through a lot. And I think you can get this on the Keen's site. Keen's is Keenz. On the Keen's site, I think it's $10 or $15. So let's hack this. All right, so this is the Super Bee. Look how pretty this print is. Again, I will leave the link to the first looks of the print in the description box below. But I wanted to pack this for the beach because we are actually headed out to the beach right now. And I wanted to make sure we had enough food. So the cooler is just going to go right in there in the middle compartment. And then you just open it right up and it fits perfectly. And I still, depending on how big you pack the cooler, I still have plenty of room. You kind of just have to open it up when it's inside the bag so you can see it fits in there perfectly. As I was saying, it depends on how full you fill up the cooler, but I honestly would still be able to use the mesh pockets on the side panels of the Super Bee. So we are going to, let's see if I can do this. We're gonna fold the Super Bee down. There we go. So you can kind of see what I'm gonna put in here for the beach. So I have two Sistema containers for the kids, just turkey and salami. And then we're gonna put an ice pack in there. I love these ice packs from Target. They are amazing. Just gonna put that right there so it keeps it cool. And then we're gonna put some applesauce in there. And then I have these, I don't know what brand this is. I got these from Target a while ago, and we honestly haven't been using them because we love our Whiskware so much, but I found, oh, they're snack in the box. You see that? Snack in the box from Target. But I found that we were just putting our granola bars in here, and the kids didn't want to eat them because they were getting all smushed and they were grossed out by them. So again, I was like, ooh, I wonder if bars would fit in here. So bars do fit in here. We put our fruit bars in there. So they have a fruit bar on one side and then some graham cracker snacks on the other side. That way it doesn't get smushed. The kids each have their own and they aren't gonna fight over it. All right, so that's in there. Kind of see, there you go. Let's put another ice pack on the side of the turkey and the salami so those stay cool. We have some other bars that don't get smushed as easily. We're just gonna toss those in there. We have some wafer cookie batons from Trader Joe's. Love these. A little treat for the kids. And then some plantain chips. I'm just gonna toss those in there. I have a 5-hour for myself. It's just gonna get tossed in there. And then some dried fruit because we love dried fruit. And yeah, that's pretty full. So I'm just gonna close the cooler bag from Keen's, and I'm actually gonna toss a couple of things in here for the beach. So my keys on the key leash, tuck that in there, and then I'm gonna pop this, here, I'll pop this side open. We are gonna put sunblock in here, and we're just gonna put that in the mesh pocket on here. We're just gonna put it on the mesh pocket, one of the mesh pockets. And in the other mesh pocket, we're gonna put an Orchid Hearts pouch. And then I'm just gonna use one towel, but I'm pretty sure I could fit other towels in here. This is a Sand Cloud towel. Yeah, Sand Cloud. I love their towels. I really want to get more of their towels. They're just amazing, and they fit so well. So yeah, you can kind of see I still have lots of, I could probably fit like a regular size towel in here and it would be full. I will put my phone in the zipper pocket of the Super Bee, and then the kids' water bottles can go on these side pockets that don't have a zipper. Oh, I gotta move over the sunblock. There we go. All right, there we go. So my little beach cooler hack for the Super Bee. I love it. I cannot wait to go use it right now. Like I said, I will leave print comparisons on the Body Shots, all that good stuff in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can message me on Instagram. That's honestly probably the quickest way. You can reach me at happyhoppas, happy.hoppas, H-A-P-A-S, and I will leave that below in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!